If you spend any amount of time around Kasey Schwartz, you'll see she's just as sweet as some of the desserts you'll find on her hugely popular website, All Things Mama.
All Things Mama is all things for your family, home, and life. And I started, it's probably been almost 11 to 12 years ago, and it started as just kind of an online diary about my family. And then it has grown into a whole entire brand of recipes and crafts and reviews and anything for your home that you can think of.
Schwartz is based out of Central Illinois, where things are more quiet. Folks know each other by name, and the focus is on family.
I start early in the morning, and I try to keep normal hours. So when the kids were going to school, I would try to be done around 3:30 if possible.
Kasey has been married to her husband, Brian, for nearly 16 years. The couple has Ella, now in high school, Andrew, who's in middle school, and Sydney, who's in elementary school. She's also the pet parent to a dog and a cat. And while her family was busy growing, so was her audience.
All of the comfort foods, easy comfort recipes are what people come for to All Things Mama, because who has time to be in the kitchen for hours these days?
Even though she works from home, she puts in 40 hours, 8 hours a day, 5 days a week.
Now that everyone is home all the time, things change a little bit.
Despite the fact that she has millions of visitors to her website and has been featured in magazines and on national television, just ask anyone and they'll tell you she's still the same sweet yet humble Kasey Schwartz.
Yes, I was featured on the Today Show because I have a book called Essential Oils for a Clean and Healthy Home, which teaches you how to clean your home with natural products. So they did some of that. Dr. Oz featured me. I was in Mother Earth News, Better Homes and Gardens. Those are really exciting when that happens.